What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investment Trade with Jax. Don't mind my attire. It's just a bit cold here in South Africa. We're seeing at 0.01562. We're up 5.87 on the day. Seeing market cap 709 million, 24 hour volume 101 million. So we broke the bullish level. We're up on about 2%. And as you can see, wave one to the upside, wave two pullback, and now you've broken the bullish level. So we can look for this right here, wave one, wave two, then you go 3, 4, 5, right up towards our target of 0.01978, which is a 161.8. So shout out to everyone that's been buying in the one zone range. That's still a believer. I do think Gala will still do well in this bull run, 50 cents, 60 cents, but we'll have to see how everything plays out, as everyone has been hating on Gala lately. But that's usually the best time to buy. On the weekly chart, we do have a tiny little bullish divergence. Well, it depends. We didn't actually create a lower low, but an equal low with a higher low on the RSI. So obviously we still have a lot of work to do, but I did want us to create a new low, which we did because all of this looked very corrective. So now what we want to see is a strong impulse to the upside. Oh, my laptop's going to die. We do have a double bottom. Hopefully this doesn't affect the mic. Sometimes it does when I charge it. As you can see here, you have a double bottom. So if we can break that neckline, that Apollo, stop barking, please. I'm working. Then we can push all the way up to 0.04872. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala in the short term. Look for a wave three up to about 0.019, or basically 0.02. And then if you zoom out, you have that double bottom target that can take you up to about 0.048. We are currently in two trades, one for Ethereum, hit our TP1, one for Giga, which is in profits. You can have completely free access to my trade signals if you take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. After you sign up, send me an email. All links are in the comments. That's all you have to do. 30 seconds of your time, and I will send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including Gala, my crypto trade setups when I trade for Giga and Ethereum, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. All you have to do is take 36 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX, send me an email. That is it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.